My T6 Pro is offline, but internet is working. Followed Honeywell app instruction to reconnect by pressing Thermostat center for 5 seconds, but nothing happened.
Where in your home is your Honeywell thermostat installed? How old is it?
Thermostat is in center of home, and it was installed in August this year.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
App states it was offline for 2 hours. Reset router, all other internet apps, email, etc., working fine, but Honeywell app on 2 different iPads not connecting.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just tell me how to get the Honeywell app on my 2 iPads online so I can adjust the thermostat settings. The instructions in the app that states to press the center of the thermostat for 5 seconds gets no response.
Hi there. Sorry you're having trouble with the thermostat and app. I have the same thermostat and have had the same problem in the past, plus I have many years experience in the HVAC field and IT also. One thing to do is make sure that your internet connection to the thermostat is only 2.4 GHz. These will not work off 5 GHz. Another thing is that the Honeywell app, although great when working, does go offline quite a bit. Most of the time I just have to wait when it notifies me it is offline or can't connect. You are probably past all that and have tried resetting the Wi-Fi on both the modem/router and the thermostat. I have in the past just went into the settings on the thermostat itself and found where to reset the Wi-Fi. And then use the app to configure, because then on your iPad you will have to connect directly to your thermostat and the app will then communicate with the thermostat to help re-enter your Wi-Fi settings. You may be able to look at your Wi-Fi connections now and see your thermostat actually. I would connect to that and then open the app. Let me know if any of this helps so far. And then we will go further if needed. Also, once one of the iPads is set up to work with the app and thermostat, you should only have to log into the Honeywell app on the other device. No real setup needed. I have found though, sometimes if 2 people are using the app, there can be conflicts. For instance, my wife will change the thermostat, and if I have used the app previously and left it running even when my iPad or phone is locked, it seems like the temperature will bounce from one device to the other. This all has its quirks, but like I mentioned before, when it does work properly, we love it. I wish that the answer was cut and dry, but even with my experience in the field and at home with the Lyric and other Honeywell Wi-Fi devices, they can be quirky with communication to the internet at times. Mine did lose connectivity even at 1 a.m. this morning. From what I understand also, is that Honeywell servers go down temporarily for maintenance from time to time. And my internet service provider resets here and there, resulting in my thermostat losing connection. I have learned after going through what you are now, the best thing to do is to leave the app alone, and if I have to, use the thermostat manually. In other words, the best thing to do is to wait a while and it will eventually come back up. If I do reset anything, I just power cycle my modem/Wi-Fi router. I quit trying to reset the thermostat itself just because it was too hard to get it to reconnect. Sorry I keep rambling. I hope some of this information helps. If you need anything else, please feel free to ask me. Have a good one until then. Hope some of this information helped you out. Have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.